Every software company is adding, quote, AI power to their product right now, and QuickBooks is no exception. But slapping AI features on an old platform just makes it more expensive and frustrating. That's why over the past few weeks, I've reviewed a new wave of accounting tools actually built for AI from the start. And these 4 are the first I've seen that change how accounting gets done. Quick note before we jump in, Intuit isn't standing still on artificial intelligence. Its AI can handle things like anomaly detection and reconciliation. And they recently launched AI agents for payments, bookkeeping, and more. But all of it's layered on top of the same core product. The newer platforms I'm going to show you were built around AI from the start. And that architectural difference changes how the whole workflow feels. Before I walk you through what I found, I do want to be upfront. These are early stage tools. None has the decades-long track record that QuickBooks does. Some will mature into real competitors. Some may not. That's exactly why it's worth being deliberate about what you're switching to, and we can match you with the right system for free at softwareconnect.com. Digits is the furthest along in the AI native alternatives. They've had the most time and the most capital, close to $100 million from Benchmark, SoftBank, and GV over the years, and the product reflects that. It shows in how it handles categorizations. You connect your bank accounts, transactions flow in, and the AI books them directly into the ledger. No rules to set up, no pending tabs to work through. When you do correct something, Digits checks for similar transactions across the file and offers updates on those too. If you're an accounting firm, this is where it gets interesting. Digits builds custom AI models based on how your firm codes transactions. So if you categorize patent office payments as, quote, legal for one client, new clients inherit that pattern automatically. They also just launched outcome-based pricing. So you only pay for clients where the AI is actually doing the work, specifically when it automates at least 95% of the transactions. If it doesn't hit that level, you don't pay for that client. The limitations are real though. Invoicing and bill pay are still basic compared to QuickBooks. Bank connections run through Plaid, which doesn't cover every financial institution. And right now, Digits is US only. Pricing starts at $65 a month with a free trial. Now, Digits is clearly built with accounting firms in mind. But if you're a business owner who just wants the books handled, Kick takes a different approach. It proactively finds write-offs you might be missing and flags things like duplicate subscriptions. Your job is basically to hit confirm. They call it self-driving bookkeeping. And from what I've seen, that's a fair description for simpler companies. Kick is earlier than Digits though. Reporting is more limited. Some features in their demos are still labeled as, quote, in development. It's also free up to $25,000 in annual business expenses. Paid plan starts at $35 a month, and different plans support up to 1, 5, or unlimited entities. So unlike QuickBooks Online, you're not stacking subscriptions. Digits and Kick handle the bookkeeping for you. Puzzle gives you control as to how it gets handled. Instead of hard-coding workflows, AI Close lets you build agents that handle your month's end for you. You just describe what you want in plain English, and the agent turns that into a repeatable process. It drafts the work, explains what it's doing, and suggests next steps. You review it, approve it, and it runs. You can start with templates, but the real value is building your own. Anything you normally do, reconcile accounts, reviewing transactions, you can turn it into an agent. Once it's set, it runs the same way every month. It flags anything unusual and waits for you to sign off before posting. You define the logic, nothing goes through without your approval, and it runs the same way every time. The catch is, Puzzle is very startup focused. If you're not in the VC and fintech world, the built-in metrics probably aren't relevant. It's US only, and accountants have flagged the manual overrides can be difficult. The free tier covers your first $20,000 in total transaction volumes, and that's lifetime, not monthly. After that, plans run between $30 and $360 a month. So Digits is built for accounting firms managing lots of clients. Kick is built for business owners who want to touch their books as little as possible. Puzzle is built for startups and their accountants who want to design their own automated workflows. Campfire sits between these AI bookkeeping tools and traditional mid-market ERPs. It markets itself as an ERP, but in practice, it's focused on accounting, revenue automation, and close management. No inventory, no manufacturing. There's a built-in close checklist, and each task can run an AI prompt. So instead of manually building an accrual or digging through transactions, you can have the system draft a journal entry for you. It pulls from your actual data, explains what it's doing, and proposes the entry. You review it, approve it, and it posts to the GL. It's still young though, founded in 2023. Features are shipping fast, which means the product is changing constantly. And pricing isn't public, it's quote-based. You can check out our full video review here if you want a closer look. If you actually need a full ERP with inventory or industry-specific compliance, that's a different tier. Sage Intacct and NetSuite are built for that and are currently adding AI tools on top of their existing systems. So here's the quick decision framework. Business owners who want hands-off bookkeeping, choose Kick. Accounting firms at scale, Digits. Startups building custom workflows, Puzzle. Revenue recognition and reporting beyond bookkeeping, Campfire. But if you get this wrong, you're ripping it out in 12 to 18 months. So if you want to pressure test your choice before committing, that's where we can help. I've seen a lot of implementations go right and wrong over the past 25 years. We talk with dozens of organizations every week and know which software actually works for businesses like yours. Head over to softwareconnect.com for your free needs analysis. Link is in the description. You can also check out our video on the best QuickBooks alternatives of 2025 for the traditional options. Thumbs up if this was helpful, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.